Good morning, children. How are you, children? Very good. So today we are discussing about globe, a model of the Earth. A model of the Earth. Do you see that like a globe there in previous classes? This is the globe. This is the Earth globe there. We see this globe. What we are finding that like a globe there? We find that like a globe. There is a countries. What is that? Countries, latitude, longitude, capitals, oceans, oceans, seas, seas. We are there to see in that like a this globe there. Okay. So how is this globe there? It is a circle. It is a circle there. Oceans also, continents also, countries also, we are finding the boundaries also that we are finding that like a globe there. And next one there is a rivers also we are finding this globe there. Okay. So now we are discussing about globe, a model of Earth. Globe. What is the globe there? Globe is the model of Earth. So means we are understanding. Oh, Earth is look like this. Earth is look like a globe type. So the surface of that Earth that we find it like a continents, countries, seas and oceans. Seas and yes, ocean. So we see that like here like a yes globe. This is the 90 degrees north. This is that like a yes 90 degrees south there. Okay, these two portions also there is a bulge there. Push it there. What is that? Yes, push it there. So this is that like the earth also that like some bend also there. Okay, this is now we are discussing about that like this is the earth there. Okay, so globe. What is a globe there? Globe is a model of the earth. Globe is the globe is the model of globe is a model of the earth. What is it? Earth. Yes, I will draw that like a yes this globe also here. This is the yes globe. This is the yes globe. Okay. So this is the yes globe. This is the yes globe. We see that like some places also here, guys. We see that what is that? Some yes places. Some yes places. Okay. And like here there is a what we are the Greenland. And like here there is a yes that this is that like what are these? This is that like yes Europe and this is Africa. And like we find that like here yes last one like here Australia and this is that like we find it. What is that? Yes, India. This is Asia continent. Asia continent and like here we find it like Antarctica. Okay, Antarctica and here this is North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and here last one there is a Australia. Canada, Antarctica, yes, continent. Totally we find that like a yes, globe J. Middle, what we are find that like a yes, middle, this is that like a yes, what is that? Water. Water bodies means that like a seas and ocean. So this is, what is it? This is completely like a land masses. Land masses. So here, understand that this is that like a yes, globe J. Once evening, one evening, Sundar and Kalpana were like looking at that like a moon there. Sundar asked that if I went to that like a moon, what would that like a yet look like? We cannot see the from the Kalpana and him that they could easily find out that like a answer. Where they are there from that like a internet, they collect that like a yes answer there. So when we are that like a travel from that like a Earth planet J. Okay, it is also small one way. When we have that like a travel so many kilometers from that like a Earth to that like a space, we are not find out that like a where is that? Yes, Earth also there. So this is that like a yes we will see in internet day. Internet day. So, for example, we have that like a the one pleasant evening when we look at it like a sky day. What we are find is yes, we will find that like a yes, moon also there, stars also there. There is a number of the stars. There is a number of the stars along with that like a what is it? Moon and next one clouds also we are find a so that like the later she showed him some pictures of that like a earth taken from that like a moon. This is how it is look like. So when that like the scientists of that like the persons who are studied about that like earth who are studied about earth. So they are taking that like the earth photo from space. So that's why this is that like the earth also look like what is a half portion J. What is a half portion? There is one question also J. Can you explain why the bottom portion of that earth is not visible in like a is this photograph J? How is that like a at the earth look like a spherical? How is that earth J? Earth look like spherical shape. Spherical shape. Spherical, yes, shape there. Okay, in that like the photo also we see that like what is a half of the portion, half of the portion visible. We see in that like a what is a the earth. Okay, what is it? Earth. So we are not see that like a full object. Once that like we will take the photograph there, only that opposite of that like a photograph there, yes, to find out that like a picture. Remaining portion we are not find a. So that's why here the what is it? The why the earth is not. What is it? Like a what? Why that like a the bottom portion of earth is not visible in photograph because the what is the earth is a spherical shape. That's why we are not visible that like a full of that like a the full of the earth. Understand? Okay, so this is that like a yes half of the earth. Okay, so the photograph also taken from that like a space side. Okay, that's why what is the half of the portion? So remaining portion there is no way. Only the opposite of that like a lighter portion that is like a to receive that to take that like a picture of it. They will see that like a half of the portion visible in photograph. Another portion we are not find out there. So that's why there is no visible in that like a photograph. The main reason Earth is look like a what is that? Spherical shape. Spherical shape. Next topic Jai. The earth is like a ball. The earth is like a ball, like a, yes, ball. The earth is like a ball. Okay. So from this picture, you can see that the shape of that like a earth. Okay. How is a, how is that like a earth? The earth look like a ball. The earth look like a, the earth look like a ball. We know, yes, we know very well about that like a ball also, right? And also that like a, yes, how is that like a, these globe also, right? How is it that the earth also, right? It look like a, yes, ball type. Ball. Yes, right. So the ball also that like in spherical shape. Completely, it is a spherical shape. We are not find out that like any up and down, any up and down, completely like a yes ball type. Like a, what is that? Yes ball. This is that like a yes ball. This is also that like a, what is a, yes, the earth also look like a ball. The earth also look like a, what is a, yes ball there. Okay. So here they bring that like a, what is a, some globes. Means here that you have do that like a one activity, right? Every five children, what is a, select that like a one group, right? Every, what is a, five students to make that like a one, what is a, one globe also, right? Okay. You are that like a making your own. Okay, take that like a papers also, right? Take that papers also, and also that like a, that is that like a, what is a, make like a, what is a, just like a ball type, ball type. Take like one, what is a, like a, that iron string also, right? Iron string, and like here to put that like a one needle also, right? One needle, and like the needle also like attached with that like is a one wooden, one wooden, the string also that like a joint a. So you are mentioned that like a here also that like a, what is a, yes, that continent and oceans, continent, ocean, simple is it, we find that, and also we make that like a, what is a globe also, what is a globe also there, and everyone to do that like a, what is a activity, making of globe. Everyone to make that like a globe also, right? Mention that like a continents also, right? In previous classes, you all learned that like a, so how many land masses, how many land masses in that like a world also, right? The land divided by into that like a, how many land masses, how that like a water bodies, it's become a, what is a, how many, oceans, the water bodies are that like a, become a, how many? Yes, oceans. Okay, that is also that like a mention into that like a in your global. Just mention the names. Just mention the names after complete that like a made up globe. You are mentioned that like a continent, seven continents, and like the major, yes, oceans also there. Major, yes, ocean, like a globe is a model of that like a earth. It shows that like a shape of the earth, the land, water, continent, and the ocean, the main countries of that like a world. So the globe to represent, the globe to represent, represent totally earth, totally earth, like oceans, trees, trees, countries, countries, and capitals. And yes, capitals. We find that like a, yes, globe there. Like example, like here that like what is a, this is that like a, yes, North America, that USA, Washington DC. Okay, like here that like what is that? That is that like a US capital there. Like every country there. Like here that there is a, yes, India there. That is a, yes, New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi, United Kingdom, like here that there is a London also. Okay, next one, like here there is a France, Paris. Next one that's like here there is a what is a Italy, Rome. Like we find that like a continent, and also that like this is that like a Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So countries and capitals, continents and what is that? Oceans also we find in that like a top of that like a globe also there. Okay, so the globe to represent that like a totally earth there. So what we are find that like a totally earth. Example of that like what is a totally globe. Yes, to the globe to represent that like a totally information. Yes, about that like what is it? Continent, ocean, seas, countries, capital. Okay, we find that like a clear day. This is that like a what is it? Yes, India is like a yes, India capital like a what is it? New Delhi. What is it? Yes, New Delhi is it. Next one that like a Pakistan where there is a that like a yes, Islamabad. What is it? Islamabad. That like, yes, Kabul is that like a capital of that like a yes, Pakistan there. And next one that like a Iran capital day. Iran capital yes, Tehran. And next one that like a Saudi Arabia. Saudi yes, Arabia capital day. Yes, Riyadh. Okay, like that we find the and next one that like here we find that like what is Australia continent, Australia continent, and next one that like here also China like a Beijing, and next one that like where is it? Yes, Mongolia. Ulha, yes, Badai. So like this, we find that like countries and capital, next one continent, and like here that there is a what is that Pacific Ocean, like Indian Ocean here there, and next one like here there, what is the Mediterranean Sea. Between that like a Europe continent, that like a Africa continent, and next one North America, South America, and that like a Europe and like a, where is a Africa there. Between these countries, we find that like Atlantic Ocean there. So the globe to give that like information about the continent, ocean, seas, countries and capitals. So that is you can see that the earth is like a ball, spherical in shape. How do you think the people stand on it? Okay, for example, we have that like a one doubt guy. The earth also look like a what is it? Ball type guy. But how we are that like a stand on that like a ball guy? Is it possible that stand on that like a spherical shape of that like a earth? Spherical shape of the earth. Spherical shape of the earth. So students have some doubts there. How do you think people stand on like a globe that are like a spherical jet? So after you are that like a learning in previous next one that like a what is that? Yes, have that like a what is that? What is that? Yes, magnetic jet. What is that? Magnetic. Actually, when you are entered that like a ninth class also the earth also spin around is what is that? More than 1 kilometer. What is it? Speed for 1 hour day. What is that? Yes. During that like a cyclone sign day, that like the government also to announce that like what is that? Every 1 hour day, the wind also to speed that like what is that? 25. Was it 125? What is that? Kilometer speed. The wind also blowing during that like a cyclone sign. At the time we will find that like what is that? Houses also collapsed that. Trees also what is that? Break, and also trees also completely fall down there. That like the houses also that like yes collapse and moving from one place to another place. Okay, sometimes that like the wind also that all the things also that like fly into that like a sky also there. Okay, there are all that like a things fly into that like a yes atmosphere also there. Because wind effect. The wind also blowing heavily there during the cyclone time. For 1 hour, 125 kilometer speed of that like a wind blowing, particularly where there is where is it? Cyclonic areas. Cyclonic area, mainly in coastal areas. Coastal areas always to hit at that like what is a cyclones. The cyclones targeted mainly coastal area. So that's why coastal areas mainly damaged by what is that? Cyclone. The wind also that like a blowing heavily in coastal regions. Okay. So here we are not fall down. We are not fall down there. So when we are stand that like a surface of the earth, surface of earth, because of that like a, what is the magnetic power there. Please standing toy people are the different parts of that like a globe. It may seem the person at that like a lower part is standing and upside down or that like the person on that like a middle may just fall down from that like a earth. So we never fall off that like a earth because the earth like a very powerful magnet. Okay, why that like a people? Why people not fall down on yes, sir. Okay. And yeah, children, you are understanding it. So why the people not fall down that like hey at the because of that what is that like what is the middle that the earth we are we never fall off that like earth because so why the people not fall down on the ledge because Because, what is the reason that? Because mainly here the earth acts, the earth, the earth reacts like a very powerful magnet, like a very powerful, powerful, yes, magnet. That is the reason. That is the reason we are not fall down there. We never fall down on that like a earth. We are still stand. We are still stand. Just that like a people thinking that like when we go to that like exactly the earth of the edges of that earth, people they are thinking we are fall down, but we are never fall down on that like because of that like what is the reason that the earth acts are that like what is a very powerful magnet, very powerful yes magnet so which pull us towards it. In fact, we can only fall on that like a earth, but never of that like a earth. So this is the reason why we are not fall down there. Mainly here the powerful magnet. A powerful magnet. Once we are that like a comes to that like a here, exactly the edge of that like a earth, or that like a, when we go to that like a Alaska there, when we go to that like a Greenland there, or that like a what is it? Yes, Antarctica. What is it? Antarctica there. We are not fall down. We are not fall down there. So in case we are that fall there, yes, we are fall on that like a surface of that earth, but we are not that what is it? Fall down into that like a space because the earth attract that like a everything also. Once we are that like a to throw that like a surface to that like a surface, once again, what is it? The chalk piece also come to that like the fall into that like a floor there because that what is the earth have that what is that? Yes, magnetic power there. Magnetic power. That's why we are not fall down there. Understand that? Okay. So So actually, that is not like a perfect shape. This is also an important note. Actually, the earth is not. The earth is not. What is it? The earth is not like a perfect shape, sphere, not perfectly round, not perfectly round. Okay, some here this portion also that like what is that push into what is that inside there, push inside that 90 degrees of north pole or that like a 90 degrees of south pole, 90 degrees of north pole or that like a 90 degrees of that like a south pole there. So it is a little pressure the two poles. Reason, what is that? So the actually the earth is not like a perfect spherical jet, perfect space, unlikely was a perfect round jet. Reason, what is that? So it is little pressure. It is a little pressure, pressure at the two poles, at the two poles. Okay, so like here that like a yes here that yes this is that like a some that. Okay, to press it the earth also that like a north pole press it to that like a this one was the south one, the south pole also press it to that like a where is a yes not one day. So that's why earth is not a what is that perfect shape, perfect spherical. But just that like a what is that the scientists also they show that the geographical scientists also they show that like a earth look like a what is a spherical part, but actually it is not a spherical jet because of that like a these two poles are that like a what is that pressure day. That's why earth is not that like a perfect shape, perfect shape day, and also the middle around that like a line in that like a equator. However, this is also that like a slide that like a most globes and maps do not show that like a it is a. So how is the earth also low? What is that? Some shape. How is that like a this shape of that like a earth spherical jet? Okay, we will show that like this one like a ball shape, but actually it is not a perfect. And this earth also that like is some bend. How it is however, this is the slight that most globe. What is it? Like a yes. This is like a yes globe. Yes, we will see like this also, right? Yes, this is the yes globe, right? This is the yes globe. This is the but the earth shape, yes, this is the here, right? Like a yes, there is a one middle yes line also, right? There is a one middle line to pass that like a from west to east. Right? This is also to call that like a 0 degree. 0 degree means that equator. What is the equator? So the earth like a, what is that? It is not that like a perfect day. It is also that like a slantly. Some bend some yes bend the north pole or that like a yes south pole. Here that like a yes north pole. Here that like a yes south pole. This is the north pole. What is that? This is that like a what is that? Yes, South Pole, Jai. This line, 0 degree, Jai. Understand, Jai? So here, the interesting thing about that like a shape of that earth is that we keep traveling from one point to that like another direction. We come back to that like a same point without that like a turning back. Okay. Some that like a one interesting thing that one one interesting thing about the earth about the yes. What is the interesting thing that yes, like when we are that like the interesting thing about the interesting the interesting the yes interesting thing about about the shape of the earth shape of the earth the shape of the earth the shape of the earth is that we keep traveling is that we keep traveling from one point to another point, traveling from one point, one point to another point, another point. For example, like we start that like what is it from Alaska there. We starting from example of that like yes, we will see that like yes, globe also right. So we are that like traveling starting from that like United States, where there is a place of that like what is the exactly yes that like yes Mexico there. When we travel that like from Mexico there, same we are traveling that like a same portion and that like again we will that like what is that? Raise that like where is that? Yes, Mexico. Like yes, this is that like a Mexico there. When we travel like here there, same we are that like traveling and come to that like finally. Where is it? Yes, Mexico. There is no any turning there. There is no any turning. So we are not fall down there. Okay, there is no any turning. Where we are starting, we will reach that like a same point where we are starting there. So this is the very very interesting news about that like the shape of that earth. So where we are traveling there, which point from we are traveling there, is it? We will reach that like a same point, the starting point. This is also that like a yes interesting news. We are not fall down there. But there is no any yes turnings. There is no any yes turnings. So where we are starting there, again that like we will reach that like a same point. So that we keep that like a traveling from one point to another point. What is that? We will reach. We will reach. Same point. Same point means what is that? Means where we are starting. Where we are starting. Okay, where we are starting. For example, like we are starting that like a USA, right? This is that like a USA. Yes, once again we are travel that like a same like a Europe and that like a what is the Japan like a come to that like a East or the Pacific Ocean, and again we will raise that like a what is the see. So we will think that like here this is that like was a ending and like edges also not edges there. There is no edge there. There is no that like any just turning there. This is like where we are starting. Without turning, we will reach that like a same point where we are that like a yes starting. Okay, that is also that like a yes about the interesting of that like yes. What is that? Yes. So try to that like a same point without that like a turning back. Try to this on that like a globe. Start from that like any point and keep going that like a same line and see if we come back to that like a starting point. Okay. Here we will start that like a here there. Yes. We are traveling and also that like a journeying here there. Okay. There is no any yes turning. Without turning, we will reach that like a the starting point. Some 600 years ago, that most of the people believed that the earth was flat, and that if you kept that like a traveling in any direction, you would reach that like edges of that like a earth, and that you had fallen into that like a what is I sky. Okay. So present we have that like a thinking. This is the scientists also to give that like a information there. Okay, the earth where we will start that like a where we will that like a traveling. Okay, on that like a earth day again we will raise that like a same place. But yes, previous 600 years ago, 600 years ago, 600 years ago, yes, people thinking, people, yes, charge, yes, charge, people, charge, the earth was flat, believed, the earth was, what is that? Flat. Okay, they are thinking they, okay, they believe that like a earth was a flat, and also, what is a when we are that like a traveling on that like a surface of that like a earth, people thinking we have fallen into that like a sky also. Fall into, we fall into sky. So like that they are thinking that when they are that like a thinking that 600 years ago, 600 yes years ago, people they are that like a thinking, people they are believed. What is that? Earth is a sphere. What is that? Earth is a flat. That's a okay. Earth is a flat day, and also when we are travel that like a from one area to another area, finally we are reached that like the edge of that like a edge, and also finally we are fallen into the sky. Fallen into sky. Like that, people they are that like a village. But today onward, that is change. Before that like a, what is it? What we are learned when we are traveling from one place to what is it? Where we are starting. What is that? Traveling entire that like a earth. Finally we will reach that like at the same point where we are starting. There is no any turning there. We are not that like a fallen into that like a sky also there. But people believe that previously means there is a change. Lot of technology also there. The scientists also they will give that like a information about that like a yeah, so around the 400 AD, around around 1400 AD, and dominant was it? The scientists and like a street forest begin to figure out that like a earth must be like a yes ball. What is that? Like around that like a 1400 1400 scientists to give the information information about the earth, about the earth, about the earth, the earth. What is it? The earth look like a yes ball. When there is a yes 1400, around the 1400. Let's say the time of that like a 1400. Also to give that like a information about that like a yes, yes, it is look like a ball. It is a look like a yes ball. So after that like a why is it? The scientists also they are traveling the so many kilometers. The scientists also they are traveling that like a very far of the places. So after complete, they have that like a lot of experience. After complete that like a traveling, they will give the information about that like a earth. Oh, earth is a spherical shape. That is a what is it? Yes, look like a ball. Look like a yes ball there. So that's why even today onwards also we follow that like a same information. Yes, we are also tell to that like a what is that? That is a look like a yes ball. That is a look like a yes ball there. Today that we are follow that like a same thing. What the scientists to give that like a information to that like a word about that like a earth. So the figure out of that like a earth must be like a ball. That's why the Columbus, the Italian explorer, set out that like from the European 1492 AD in the western direction with the hope of that like reaching that India. Of course, he did not reach that like India, but stopped that like a Caribbean island near that like America. In case he had traveled on that like he might never reach that like what is it? India there. Previously, after you are that like what is a eighth class say? After entered that like eighth class after day. The kings and emperors also they are encouraged that like a scientist after day. They encourage that like the persons who are that like making that like what is that? Yes, map also there for the purpose of to find out that like places, to find out that like new areas, and like what are the natural resources are available from there only there. So during the time, what is that? The Italian explorer. Who are they? The Italian, yes, explorer there. The Italian, okay. So at the time of that like around that like 1400, after next one day, Columbus, the Italian explorer, Columbus, Italian explorer, sea explorer, Italian explorer. He's starting that like what is a so he is starting that like to find out that like a sea route to India there. Okay, he traveling from that like yes Italy there, Columbus for the purpose of to find out that like a sea route in 1492. 1400 yes 92 AD yes he traveled there travel what is that? He's traveling. Okay, he's traveling on that like a Atlantic Ocean, like a here. This is that like a Italian, he's traveling that like a where is it? Come to that like a Mediterranean Sea and join into that like a where is it? Atlantic Ocean. So he's traveling that like a west direction, west direction. Finally, he reached that like a yes. These are that like a Caribbean islands. These are the yes Caribbean islands. You know very well about that like the Caribbean islands like a cricket players also. West Indies players. West Indies players. So Columbus to reach that like a what is that? Caribbean islands. Caribbean islands. What purpose he's travel from that like Italy there for the purpose of what is that to find out the sea route to India there. But he is not reached that like a India. He reached the Caribbean island. Caribbean island. And top of that, once again he travel. Once away, he traveled there. But after that like a Columbus, Vasco da Gama, yes, he traveled there. Finally, he discovered that like a sea route to that India there. Finally, he discovered the sea route to India there. Okay, so this is about that like a information. Tomorrow we are discussing about that like a ocean and a continent. Ocean and continent.